Good afternoon. Happy New Year. Today is the first day of the new year, 2022. I'm Ellen, and I would like to show you maybe 10 to 15 minutes of yoga poses or yoga practice for the shoulder openings. So we're often working a lot in the front of the computer or telework with your phone, with your pad, computer, everything. So we often have very stiff shoulders. And also when we're doing a lot of like this working, then, we collapse. So today, this exercise gonna help us to open the chest, open the shoulder blades, and also stretching the arms, and also link some parts to the neck. So let's start. It's always nice at the beginning. You can start with a little bit gentle, a few minutes of the meditation. So I started at the beginning, maybe 1 minute or two, but it's often even nicer to have 5 to 8 minutes of meditation, of course. But if you're at home practice, let's just start, okay? Choose a comfortable sitting position. You can sit as I'm doing, like this way, or if you feel a little bit difficulty to sit comfortable, there's another option. Prepare yourself either a yoga block or a thick book. A thick book also works the same, okay? But the yoga block is a little bit lighter. So you can put below your sitting bones, and you can sitting down like this way. So lift up your sitting bones, and then you do this way, stretching your knees, separate your knees. This way is much more easier. Or you can also do like this. You put it like either this way or this way. Anyway, you're sitting like this way, and you bring your knees together in the front of you. And you can also sit in this way. Put your palms here. Okay. So choose your comfortable way of sitting for the meditation. And afterwards, then you maybe change into this position. It's a little better. Again, you can sit on the beneath, on your hips. So let's start. Inhale, arms up. First, we'll interlace your fingertips. So like this, interlace fingertips, pushing forward, and slowly lift up. So arms straight. Arms straight, fully. One more breath. Slowly rotate to your right side. It looks like only small movement, but it's quite intensive spine twisting actually here. So we try to keep the belly button facing forward, so it's only the half of the upper body twisting to the right side, okay? One more breath. Slowly inhale. Bring your head back. One more breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly rotate to the left side. And again, try to keep the belly button facing forward. Slowly come back to center and release your arms. And you can relax a little bit in the arms. So then touching your fingertips on your on the shoulders here, try to draw big circles with your elbows. So here we don't do like this, because this is very little movement of the shoulder blades. So we're gonna bring elbows fully up and stay here for one breath. So here the key is elbows are together, not separating like this way. Try to be up, straight and together. Inhale. Exhale, you go back and down. So using the elbows, draw a big circles around. Inhale. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Up and down. 2 more. Okay, very good. Okay, now we're gonna change directions. Okay, so inhale, go back maximum and go up maximum again. And then coming down, Always up, then inhale, and exhale, coming down. Two more. Very good. Slowly release your arms. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, both arms open, like really straight. And then you bring left arm in the front of your right arm and then bending your right arm. So bending, and we want to bring left arm towards the right side. Maximum. Breathe. One more breath. Slowly release. And then lift up your left elbow towards the ceiling maximum, and you lower down here, lower down the left palm and touching the left shoulder blades. Very good. One more breath. Slowly release, but still keep. Release means like you can just relax a little bit, and then we're bending upper body towards the right side maximum. Your gaze, if it's okay for you, you can looking towards the ceiling. If it's not so comfortable, you can looking down. Okay, slowly come back. Release. Another side, arms up. Both arms down, parallel, and bring right arm forward towards the left side. Bending your left arm. One more breath. Okay, slowly release. Bending, right arm towards the ceiling. Inhale here, exhale. Bending the upper body towards the left side. Feel the stretching of the right side of the body. If your neck is okay, looking up to the ceiling. Slowly come back to center. Release your arms. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, bending, one palm grabbing another elbow. And try to lift up and going back as much as you can go. Your chin is parallel towards the ground. Try to keep. One more breath. Okay, slowly we're gonna curve. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, you curve your spine. Bring your elbows forward, like a bracket. And inhale, open. Exhale, close. Open and close. Okay, last one. Open and close. Okay, slowly release. Release your arms. Okay, inhale, arms up. Exhale, right fingertips touching the yoga mat. Left palm touching your right knee. Inhale, you're first looking forward. And exhale, looking to the right side. Moving your head from the front to the right. And further twisting to look into the back wall of your room. So looking above your right shoulder. One more breath. Okay, slowly. First you're moving your head back to center, looking forward. And you lift up your back arm. Arm straight. Exhale, you fully down, bending down towards your left knee. And right arm straight above your right ear, above your head. If your neck is okay, you can looking up to the ceiling, otherwise looking down to the ground. One more breath. Slowly back. And now, touching your right palm above your left knee, we cross the arms this way. You can stay here, or if you want to go a little bit further, you can separating or spreading your arms a little bit further. Go down, go out. If you can, try to touch your fingertips on the ground, or if you want a little bit more, you can rotate your palms. Okay, the goal here, or the ultimate goal, is the palms facing up to the ceiling, so you feel more stretching, okay? Inhale here, exhale, lower down your chin, rest your chin or your head above your arms. Stay for 2 deep breaths. Okay, slowly lift up your head, lift up your arms, and sticking elbows together fully. If you can bend in your palms together. If not, it's okay. Palms together is not crucial, but try to keep the elbows sticking together. Okay, very good. Inhale, lift up your arms high as you can, looking up to the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, down. Down, you go as low as you can go. You can touch the elbows to the ground, or you put if it's a challenge, you can put a yoga block in the front of you and you're touching yoga block. Come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Up. Exhale, down. Come up. Moving your both arms towards the left side to the maximum, and back to center. Inhale, exhale towards the right side, maximum, and back to center. Release your arms. Okay, now we're gonna work on another side. Similar, inhale, arms up, arms straight. Exhale, left palm touching the ground, right palm grabbing your left knee. Inhale, moving your head from the front to the left side and to the back wall of your room. So looking above your left shoulder. One more breath. Slowly. First, moving your head back and lift up your back arm. Lean down towards the right side, towards your right knee. Looking up to the ceiling. Slowly lower down. Your left palm down to the right knee. You can stay here and resting here. This is another option. You want to leave it more, stretching more, reaching out your fingertips. Try to touch in the ground and further rotate, palms facing up to the ceiling. Resting your chin on your arms. Deep breath. Slowly release. Lift up. Lift up your elbows. Elbows together, sticking together. Again, palms can touch it together or separated. It's okay. Not crucial. Inhale. Lift up the elbows. Lift up your head to maximum. Try to not bring the elbows towards your chest, like really shrink. It's really away. So your shoulders are supposed to be away from your chest. Very good. And then slowly lower down your elbows. Come up. Exhale, down. Come up. Exhale, down. Inhale, come up. And stay here. Moving both arms to the right side, both elbow to the right side to maximum. Your gaze can follow your elbows and come back. Inhale, exhale, again, to the left. And back. Slowly release your arms. Okay, now we're standing or sitting like this way, and we're separating our feet as wide as the yoga mat. Bring your both palms back like a table pose. So lift up your hips. Here the key important info is to keep your hips high. From the side looks like this. So your hips is high, so the whole surface is a flat surface. Inhale here, Exhale, lower down your hips down to the ground and come up again. Okay, down and come up. Okay, now when we go down, we try to bring the hips towards the heels. So go down towards the heels. You will feel your shoulder blades are firmly working, are firmly quite strong. Inhale again, hips high. Your head can also lean back. And lower down, touching. Last one, inhale up. Exhale, touching. Okay, very good. And then you're coming forward, standing on your toes maybe. Palms in the front of heart center. Okay, slowly lower down your heels and bending forward. Lift up your arms, engage your cores and interlace your fingertips. Try to lift up your arms high. Now bending your left leg and straighten your right leg, and your arms are towards the left side and you're looking below your right shoulder, looking to the right side. Twist. Come back to center, switch legs, and your both arms to the right side and twist, looking to the left ceiling. One more breath. Slowly release. And release your arms. And coming down. You can put the feet together like a butterfly pose. Bottom of the feet together. And slowly you lie down on your back. Put one palm above your heart and one above your belly button. Stay here for a few deep breaths. Close your eyes. And then you can straighten your legs for final Shavasana. Relaxing, close your eyes. Completely let your body relax. Enjoy the moment and let it go. Straighten down your legs and lift up your arms. Entire body fully stretching. And bend your legs. Both knees fell down to the right side. And stay here for a moment. Slowly come up to a comfortable sitting position again, like the starting pose. Bring two palms in front of heart center. Be grateful you spend time and efforts to dedicate these 20 minutes of the yoga practice to yourself. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this practice. I wish you have a wonderful year of the start, 2022. Namaste. Thank you.